a road is 4 kilometer 800 meter long. If trees are planted on both its sides at intervals of 9.6 meter, how many trees were planted? So let us see the answer. Total length of the road is 4 kilometer 800 meter. Now 4 kilometer 800 meter, we convert it into meter because 9.6 is in meter. So to add, subtract, divide two decimal fraction means their unit should be same. So 4 kilometer 800 meter converted into meter is 4800 meter. Now distance between two plants is also given 9.6 meter. So the number of tree planted is 4800 divided by 9.6. Now to divide these two fractions, decimal fraction, we have to convert 9.6 into fraction. So 9.6 into fraction is 96 by 10. Write the number in the numerator 96. Write down 1 in the denominator and count the number of digit after the decimal point. There is only one digit. So place 0 after 1. A single 0 after 1. And 4800 I can write as 4800 by 1 because there is no denominator, and no denominator means the denominator is always 1. So 4800 by 1, convert the division into multiplication. So when you convert division into multiplication, take the reciprocal of 96 by 10. And the reciprocal of 96 by 10 is 10 by 96. Now multiply numerator into numerator divided by denominator into denominator. Now when one number is in the numerator and the other number is in the denominator, and if both the number are divisible, then we can divide both the numbers. So here 4800 is divisible by 96. And when you divide 4800 by 96, you get the answer as 50. So 96 ones are 96, 50s are 4800. Now 50 into 10 is 500 upon 1, and it is equal to 500. So the number of trees planted on one side is 500. Now let us take a similar type of problem. Suppose the length of the road is 20 meter. And we need to plant tree along this road at a distance of 5 meter between two trees. So the number of tree planted is 20 divided by 5, that is 4. So the number of tree planted along the road of 20 meter at a distance of 5 meter is 4. Or we can say that 20 meter long road is divided into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now the distance between these two trees is 5 meter. Now, but if I am actually planting the tree, I'll plant a tree here, 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 here and here. Now count the number of trees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now when I'm actually planting the tree, I'm getting the number of tree planted as 5. But by calculation, I'm getting 4. Now why is there a difference? There is a difference because when I'm doing the calculation, I'm not taking the first position. I'm starting from the second position. But when I'm actually planting the tree, I'm taking the first position into consideration. So that means the number of tree planted on one side is 4 plus 1, that is 5. So this is for one side. So the number of tree planted on both sides is 5 plus 5, that is 10. Or we can say 5 into 2, that is 10. Now the same method we are going to apply here. The number of tree planted on one side is 500. But the actual number of trees planted on one side is 500 plus 1. We have to take the first position into consideration. So 501. So the trees planted on both sides is 501 into 2, that is 1002. Here I am doing multiplication by 2 because one side is given, and to find the value for more than 1 we always do multiplication, and both side means multiply by 2. So 501 multiplied by 2 is 1002. So the number of tree planted on both sides of the road is 1002.